nice, Toby. They're nice. Cream. Also, folks, I got this kit today from my model shop. It's the new Ryfield Models Challenger 2. I've been waiting for this kit for a while. There is a Challenger 2 out there from Trumpeter and stuff, but it's alright. It's okay for its age, but this one's completely new tooling, and I've had a quick brief inside, and I've checked the kit out by watching it on Progress, and it's finally been released over here in the UK. It's an absolute beast of a kit. It looks so detailed, and it's going to be a nice kit when it's done. But as I say, I picked this up as well. Let's go outside in the garden and check out the barbecue and stuff. Here's some of the food, boys, for the barbecue. Sausages, frankfurters, pork belly chops, kebab skewers, which are kofti, which is a mix of spices and meat and stuff. So we've got chicken on the go. There's burgers in the freezer. So it's coming along nicely. I believe this is a chicken.
I'm eating the rat though. Oh, it's too many meat there. Yes, I take your hands. Ouch, that's sick. Ah, you rat bag.
Go and check fishies out. Such a lovely day. What a cloud in the sky. Or pond. Garden. Need to tighten up a little bit. Looking for more food. I've already been fed once. I will do another video when they get fed. They go mental, they do. Just give them some feed. More black currants. Coming out nicely. Strawberries coming out. The strawberries down there. And that big one over there is my grapes. Here is my fig tree. Needs to go into the ground at some point. I've got blackberries in these pots. Also, here's the grapes. Just started to come through nicely.
Sun's warming, see.
Sausages and pork bellies on there now. Yeah.
You know when you're feeding though,
Rocco!
do you
My
know
neighbour's
when
dog.
the nightmare?
Yeah,
Do you know when you fed him?
yeah,
Once he's eaten, fucking what a scab.
really.
Oh,
Yeah, dogs are like that though, aren't they?
Mind you, birds
he,
are
lick,
like that.
he walks around fucking licking the skirting board. You know what? He's looking for anything.
Licking the skirting board.
Right, it's fucking nightmare, isn't it?
It's like, I had
Chilled now, just lay down there.
I had Coke hadn't one last
Yo. Yo.
They are homemade popcorn, son.
Just the kebabs on the barbie and frankfurters, the last bit of meat to go on.
We've got frankfurters, the last thing on there, some belly pork, which is maple syrup. And the last thing we've got to go on.
Here's to you boys.
Oh, burn gravy burgers, can't eat them.